Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I recorded this sometime last year and I posted it like the picture on my page on Instagram, and a lot of people asked me for the recipe, so I just thought to recreate it. Now, this is a mushroom salad for my veggie lovers. Like, you'd really enjoy this, and this is a way to kind of cleanse your system as well from all the junk of Christmas. Now, all the ingredients you need, I'm going to list them in the description box below. You can do well and check it out. I start by seasoning my mushrooms with some spices, and then I'll just toss it around, and I'm going to throw it into the air fryer for it to air fry for a couple of minutes. Bowl, I put the spring mix that it consists of arugula, baby spinach, and some baby lettuce as well. I just add the cranberries and my nuts and the grilled mushrooms. And then for the sauce for the salad, it's simply lemon juice, some honey, and then I'm just gonna be adding some black pepper to it, and then I turn it into the salad. And trust me, this salad is so tasty and it's guilt-free. Like, you can enjoy as much as you want without worrying about any calories or anything, and it's tasty as well. If I've not said that, it is. I hope you do try it out. Please, if you do, let me know what you think. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and my name is Ife, as I said earlier. Until next time, bye.